This sheet is used to record activity and emissions data from agriculture, forestry and other land use. This covers GHG emissions from activities including land use changes that alter the composition of the soil, methane produced in the digestive processes of livestock, and nutrient management for agricultural purposes. Note that Scope 3 emissions of AFOLU are not yet covered in GPC's assessment boundary, so this sheet only includes Scope 1 emissions. The AFOLU sheet is split into 3 tables, which are livestock, land, and aggregate sources and non-CO2 emissions sources on land. To date, few cities have reported AFOLU emissions. Some cities will not have any AFOLU emissions, so should therefore use the notation key NO for the subsectors. If cities are not reporting AFOLU emissions, for instance because the inventory is only basic level, then ensure that you use the notation key NE and provide an explanation, documenting that AFOLU emissions are not a basic requirement and are therefore not estimated. To help you, this is already included in CIRIS by default. If you are reporting AFOLU emissions, remember to remove the pre-populated notation keys and reasons for the use of the notation key for the sources you are estimating emissions for. The table functions in the same way as the other sectors, so we won't provide a detailed worked example here. However, please notice the different options available under the activity columns in each table. If we add a row for each table, we can see that if we select the list under activity in table 5.1, that there are a variety of livestock types that we can report again. Notice the numbers alongside each livestock type. These correspond to IPCC reporting categories, which can be helpful if consulting the guidelines for methodology information. If we select the list under Activity for Table 5.2, we can see that there is a long list of different land conversions. It is important to specify what type of land use change is occurring by selecting from the various IPCC categories. Lastly, if we select the list under Activity for Table 5.3, we can see a variety of other activities, from biomass burning to harvested wood products. Note that in all of these lists, there is the option for Other.